Next conversion is conversion for SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. First we construct a conversion table. In this, inputs are J, K and the present state Qn. We are considering these three, and for a 3-bit variable there have 8 combinations are there. For each combination J, K, Qn, find the corresponding Qn plus 1. That is to determine to which next state, that is next state is Qn plus 1, the JK flip-flop will go from the present state Qn if the present input JK is applied. That means നമ്മളൊരു ഇൻപുട്ട് വാല്യൂ JK അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ, JK വാല്യൂ പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം ഏത് വാല്യൂവിൽ നിന്ന് Qnൽ നിന്ന് Qn+1ലേക്ക് എന്ത് ചേഞ്ചസ് ആണ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്, അതാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ആർ ഫ്ലോട്ട് ഓർ ക്യാരക്ടറിസ്റ്റിക്. So first inputs we are considering J and K are 0 0. J is 0 0 ആകുമ്പോൾ Qn 0 and Qn 1 ആകുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കറിയാം 0 0 means no change ആണ്, no change. Then whatever the previous Qn, that will be the next state. ഇപ്പോൾ 0 ആണ് previous state എങ്കിൽ next state will be 0, 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ 1. Then next case is J and K value 0 1. J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1. So when K is equal to 1, we know that it is a reset state. Reset state means Qn is equal to 0 0. Qn plus 1 is 0 0. Reset state. Qn നമ്മൾ next state 0 ആയിട്ട് reset ചെയ്യും. Then present state 0 1. ഏതാണെങ്കിലും next state എന്തായിരിക്കും? It will be 0. The next two condition is J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 0. If J is equal to 1, then it will be a set state. Then next state will be set to 1. If the previous present state is either 0 or 1, the next state will be 1. The next last one is 1 1. J and K are 1 1. Then toggle condition. We know that toggle condition. Toggle condition means if the present input is 0, then next input will be the complement of 0, that is 1. Then the present input is 1, the next input will be 0, that is the toggle condition. Then next we are writing the values of S and R required to get each Qn plus 1 from the corresponding Qn. So next here we are using the excitation table of SR flip-flop. The excitation table containing two input Qn and Qn plus 1. From this we need to find out the SR value. So here write what values of S and R are required to change the state of the flip-flop from Qn to Qn plus 1. So നമ്മൾ നോക്കണം ഏതെല്ലാം SR വാല്യൂവിനാണ് Qnൽ നിന്ന് Qn plus 1ലേക്ക് ഒരു ചേഞ്ചസ് ഒക്കർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. For 0 0 SR value will be 0 don't care. Here 0 0. Here also 0 0, it is 0 don't care. Then next is 1 1. For 1 1, here also 1 1, it is don't care 0, don't care 0. For 1 0, next is 1 0. For 1 0, it will be 0 1. That is previous state is 1 and next state will be 0. That is reset state. That state that is reset state. Reset state means R will be 1 and S will be 0. Then next is 0 1 and 0 1. 0101 means 0101, that is set state. That is 0101. 0101 means here 01 and 01. It will be set state, that is S value is 1 and R value will be 0. Then it will known as set state. So this is the conversion table. From this conversion table, we are generating the K map for S and R. Here, the K map for S and R in terms of J, K and Qn. J, K and Qn. So J is equal to 0, 0, 0. When J is 0, 0, 0, then S value will be 0. Then wherever 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, here it is 1. And another one is here 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 here. Then we can group like this. So there is a common here J. Then here there is a change from K is changed from 0 to 1. Q is same 0 to, so Qn. Then Qn bar, it's 0, so Qn bar. So S is equal to J Qn bar. And here R is equal to wherever this 1. Here it is 1 is 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1 here. And here 1, 1, 1. Then here 1, 1, 1. So we can group these two. Then we will get here it is J is changes from 0 to 1. So here it is K Q N. So R is equal to Q K Q N. So we draw the logical diagram. In this logical diagram, we need to convert from SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So available flip-flop is SR. So here available flip-flop is SR. Here it is SR flip-flop here. And Q and Q bar are the Q and Q bar are the output. So next here S input means J into Qn. So J is the input given here. Qn bar is here. Then J into AND gate. Here which operation is here? It is AND operation. So J Q bar Qn bar here. And for R K, this is K input, K and Qn is here. So K here and Qn here, then AND operation given. So this is the logical diagram that is represented here. Qn bar is connected to J input and Qn is connected to K input. Thus the conversion from SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop.